Please wait. Before you go, I just want to say the inspirational, encouraging I am for today. And it says, I let go of the past with ease. I let go of the past with ease. Thank you for stopping by. Even this is all that you got from this video today. I pray that it meets you and greets you wherever you are and help you along your day. Another quick and simple eyeshadow look. I'm starting right now. This is a dark green and I'm going to put it in the inner portion of my eyes. I'm using Cosmic Beauty, the Lover's Palette today. Letting go of our past is not easy. It is easier said than done. I let go my past with ease. That ease doesn't mean it's easy. That ease means it's you do it gradually on your own time without rushing through it and feeling each and everything you are doing. When you take your time to release your past, do not rush. It is not a race, because when you release it on your time and take your time and do it, you get to understand what you are doing, and then it makes more sense to you, because there will be some pain, some anger while you are releasing your past. None of us have a crystal clear past. Our past is not crystal clear at all. There is a deep plum in the palette. I'm going to take it and put it on the other half of my eyes. This is an easy look that you can do any time. Our past have things in it that we wouldn't even talk about. Not even silently we want to talk about it. But it will keep coming up until we address it. You don't have to tell people about it. Just deal with it yourself. You know what I mean? Because there are some things you just can't tell people. And then there is another thing we do. We judge other people on some things that we see them do, knowing that we have already done that. We did that too. We have to remember we are all human beings. And yes, we will judge people. But when we find ourselves doing that, we need to ask for forgiveness. Ask ourselves to please forgive that thought. Nobody's life is perfect, not even mine. I don't want you to think I have a perfect life, because I'm a human being. How can I have a perfect life in this world? It will not make sense. I try to live each and every day a different way than I did the day before. If I falter, I ask for forgiveness, I say a prayer, and I move on. I try not to get stuck. This is an e.l.f. tiny brush. I have gotten stuck in the past, and it is not a good thing. It will play in your mind over and over and over. Every time you try to take a step forward, it brings up the same old thing, and we get stuck. I say we because I'm not different from you. We are all one people. So when I say we, I mean all of us. We're all experiencing something in our past that holds us hostage, bondage. It doesn't want us to do any better. But we can release our past with ease and take steps and do it slowly, and we will get there. It doesn't go away. We just have to manage it and address it. That's it. See how quickly this is coming together? I'm going to use a little bit of the glitter glue. That's my NYX glitter glue. I'm going to put it in the middle of the eye, like right here, in the middle on the lids, because I want to put just a little bit of shimmer to give me a little bit of light, just like this. And then there's this pretty shimmer. Oh, it's nice and soft. I almost went too far with it. Just like that. You see it? I put my glitter glue down because I want it to stay right here. I let go the past with ease. Today's eye look. Easy, quick, and simple. 3 colors. 2 mattes, one in the inner portion of the eye, one in the outer portion of the eye. And right in the middle of my eye, I put a little bit of shimmer just to give me a little bit of light. You can do that. Play with your palettes and create. Create anything that your heart desires. My lip combo is this wine color lip liner, this teeny weeny last bit of Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm loving this multi-chrome lip gloss. I put it on my lips and with a little bit of clear gloss. That's it. That's all my lip combo is. Stay creative, be creative, just create. You never know what you're gonna come up with. I just love doing all kind of stuff. So this is good. I just want to show this blush palette set from Juvia's Place. I have this shade right here. It is a very cool tone mauvey pink. Then I went in with this orange over it, and I took this highlighter right here, and I just put right here, and then I went with this pink highlighter over it. So I am beaming and shining in the moon. I want to say thank you very much for watching my videos always. I want to say thank you for all the beautiful comments that I receive. I sit here and do this with a full heart so that I can share it with you. I am a stay-at-home wife. I will be 59 on October 1st. This is my joy. This is what I come here and I do it and I love it, so I share it with you. Always remember you first. Love yourself very, very much. And never, ever give up on yourself. The world can give up on you, but you don't have to give up on yourself. Never. Hang in there. Hold on. Somebody's praying for you, just don't know it. So don't give up on yourself. If things get to the point where you think you cannot handle it, seek help. Reach out, but don't give up on yourself. When you don't seek help and you don't reach out and you don't let people know that you are struggling with something that you need to talk to someone about, you're giving up on yourself. Do not give up until I see you and you see me. Please, please, please love yourself so much that you get to reach out and seek help. Bye.